Hi viewers, welcome back to AVP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel. Today you are watching Stone Ridge by Cybercity in Greenfield Road at Hitech City Hyderabad. Luxury gated community apartments. This project spread across 12.33 acres, 6 high-rise towers, 1424 apartments, 27 floors, exclusive 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments. Starting size 1300 square feet to 3805 square feet, 66,000 square feet clubhouse with G plus 6 floors, and 50-meter long length swimming pool, very big pool you have. Per floor 12 flats each tower, and 1.5 acres rock garden adventure amenities and 1.5 acres amenities. So you have no pre-EMI offer in this project. If you are really looking 3 and 4 BHK apartments, just you have to pay booking 15% amount on the overall value. Remaining you should pay at the time of handover because of no pre-EMI offer. If you want to know more details, please contact on display number for price, brochure, location. Contact us. We will share to your WhatsApp. And also, this project close to Hitech City MMTS railway station and metro station, and close to IT hub, financial district, Gachboli, and it is very close to all international schools and malls, hospitals, your daily needs, and hotels. And also, recently launched this project by Cybercity. This is for festival offer. If you are really interested, looking 3 and 4 BHK apartments near to Hitech City, this is suitable to you. And also close to airport, just 40 minutes drive through ORR via Gachibowli. And also prime location, heart of the city. You have all kind of transport and easy access to the across the city. Now availability is 1900 SFT to 2700 SFT flats are available more inventory. So if you are looking above 1800 SFT, contact us. And also price will be changed anytime. Before you are coming, just ring up to me to know the price. We will share details to you. Thank you so much. Watch complete video. Please subscribe. Bye.